These are the elevators at the Tampa Marriott Water Street in Tampa, Florida. Before we begin, I want to point out that this elevator right here is turned off and its doors are open here on 2. Take a look at it. None of the screens are on. There's your open panel and there's your certificate. But anyway, we're gonna call an elevator up. We're starting from 2 since lobby opens up right to the desk and it's kind of busy down there. So we got this one. Let's go with 27. And also what you're seeing on the screen is for the hotel that's basically right next door. It's the JW Marriott. But this isn't the JW Marriott, this is just the Marriott. Here we are at 27.
27th floor.
Let's go down to the lobby. Here's your cab view. These were originally Fujitec, but got modded by ThyssenKrupp. I think in like around 2016, 17, somewhere around that time. And we're just gonna get out. We're stopping at, I think, 15.
15th floor, going down.
So while we're here, we're just gonna get a little hallway tour. Not much to it. This is a stay well floor apparently. So let's call one down. Here's a view you can get looking, I believe this is looking south.
That hurts here. See, it hurts right here. Before you get that car, get something easier to drive.
3rd floor, going down.
And we just got off at 3. So here is basically the upper level of the lobby. I think the rooms start on level 4. So here's a look at the lobby of the hotel. As you can see, it's like an atrium. We're gonna call another elevator up. So let's do that. This is your floor map. You got this one. The lantern seems kind of glitchy. So let's go to 27. And here we are at 27. So while we're here, there's your map. You can see we're here. The service elevators are over there. And here's your view from the top floor of the hotel. You got one on 15. I figure we might as well just come up here and get a view up here as well. So let's call one down. And we got this one. So let's go to, I think we're gonna go down as far as we can. So anyway, here we go. Here's your touch screen. Here are your buttons. You've got a little keypad as well. here's your cavity. Actually, we made it all the way down. We're at the lobby.
Lobby.
As you can see, the desk is out there. But here's your elevator lobby. And that'll be it.